Anyway, I'm playing with Oobleck. Look, bro. It's so fun. It's like, oh my god. It's solid and a liquid. Like, you move, like, and then it, whoa. What am I doing? This is literally a waste of my time. It's satisfying. Alright, I'm making a mess. I need to not do this anymore. Okay, hold on. How do I... Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess. I'm gonna clean it now, so... Yeah. This is great, great stream. Whoa, it's so cool. Oh my gosh. That's sick. Okay, I'm going upstairs. Hi. Thanks, bro. Why do you like my ceiling? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. I really need to like